Welcome to PatMan Traders. In this video, we will see about the next movement of some currencies. First, we will take about the Euro USD. Euro USD next movement is just upward movement, just a retracement. Again, it will down the support. The chart will be posted on Telegram channel, so please follow on Telegram and we will get on immediate updates. Next, GBP USD. GBP USD has many days as going to sideways movement, so it will be going on support level. So it was some correction will be there, and next it was fall down in next level support. So keep watching in this currency. Next, AUD USD. AUD USD was break the major level resistance, so it will be going to retest and again it will fall down. Yesterday I told is coming to support, so same thing is happen, and the AUD USD next movement is some small correction, then it will fall down in next level support, and the point is 0.62575. This level it will fall down this level AUD USD. The chart will be updated in Telegram channel, so please keep follow us. Catch up was traded in some sideways movement, so it will be small retracement and again it will fall down in next level support. So sometime it will go into next level resistance and again it will fall down, but this thing is mainly happen. So we will move on. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is downtrend is hamming. So this is next movement is some small retracement and again it will be fall down in next level support. Sometime it will go to the next level resistance. This thing is also happen. So this fifth level is the catch-up was traded in main fifth level 0.618. So the return level is much more possibility. So something is not happen, so it will be fall down next level support. So this area trend will be changed, it going to next level resistance. These two things is happen in Euro JPY. All the charts are posted on Telegram channel, so keep follow us on Telegram. The link in below, and it will be subscribe the channel and keep support us. Thank you.